So guys, showing here one more random game on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 646 by the name of maximum length of pair chain. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question. And by the way, this question is based on two examples. Okay, so we also understand both of the examples step by step. And this question is a medium one question which we are solving in Python 3. And this question is based on four topics. First, array. Second, dynamic programming. Third, greedy. And fourth, sorting. And total 4,73,000 people have submitted this question, and total accepted is 2,89,000. Okay, and total acceptance rate is 61.1%. So yeah, we are solving this question in today's video. So let's move to computer screen. But first of all, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more these type of tutorials. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, here is here one more gaming game on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 646 by the maximum length of a paired chain. So let's start to solve today's question in Python 3, because like you all the people know, every single question which we are solving in Python 3. So first of all, we start from the question. First of all, we see the question, what is the question is trying to say us, then we will to solve it in the LeetCode Camp website. So let's understand the question. And this question is based on two examples with an explanation. So I will be told you both of the examples one by step, okay. But first of all, we start from the question. It has given me an array of n pairs where pairs square bracket I equals to left, right, and left less than right. A pair P2 equals to square bracket C comma D follows a pair P1 equals to square bracket A comma B. If B less than C, a chain of pairs can be formed in this fashion. We highlighted the chain later. Okay. We wanted it in the length of longest chain which can be formed. You do not need to use up all the given intervals. You can select pairs in any order. Example 1. Pairs. Here he created an integer array by the name of pairs, in which he wrote in 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4, in which the output is becoming 2. Why? Because the longest chain is square bracket means that 1, 2 minus greater than 3, 4. So that's why. In the second example, here he created an integer array by the name of pairs, in which he wrote in 1, 2, 7, 8, 8, and 4, 5, in which the output is becoming 3. Why? Because the longest chain is square bracket 1, 2 minus greater than 4, 5 minus greater than 7, 8. And there are the three constants are also has been included. Okay. So now let's start to solve today's question in the LeetCode Camp website. So this is a medium one question which we are solving, and in today's question there are the four topics are included: array, dynamic programming, greedy, and sorting. And this question is 4,73,000 people submitted it, and only 2,89,000 have been accepted. Total acceptance rate is 61.2%. And this is a medium one question which we are solving. So let's start to solve today's question in the LeetCode Camp website. So first of all, we start from the class of a solution. There's a rule of a LeetCode Camp whenever we start to solve any question. First of all, we define a class of a solution. Define longest chain self comma pairs list int pairs dot sort key equals to lambda x x1 cur comma ans equals to float, and then semicolon minus I and f 0 for pair in pairs if cur less than pair 0. Cur equals to pair and then 1 plus equals to 1. Perfect. Back, enter, return months. Perfect. We have written all the codes, and the last thing is to run this code. So let's see the running code. So sorry, directly I submitted this, but let's see the submission is okay. Submission is correct. So directly I submitted it by the mistake, but it is has been submitted. So we do not need to run this question because it has been submitted. Okay, and total 92% people we beat it and now post the solution. So let's see the running code also. So when I run this code, so my running code will also be accepted because the submission is accepted. So of course the running code has been also be accepted. Okay, so we have posted the solution also. So I hope you enjoyed today's video in which we solved question number 646 by the maximum length of pair change. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. And there is my channel by the name of Rayyan. So we view my all the videos, okay, and view my all the videos from here and come out to the playlist, come out to the LeetCode camp playlist. So please see my all the videos of the LeetCode camp question. Total we started from 387 question and total we solved 646 means 387 from starting and 646 means total we solved 300 questions. Okay, 300 means 300 questions we have solved in very fastly. Okay, in let's see, first question I solved 7 months. Okay, 7 months. Okay, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. So let's meet you in next video. Next video, amazing video like this, in which we also bring one more question with solving. Okay, so let me do next video amazing videos for today. Goodbye.